We will see the story in detail. So this story, A Horse and Two Goats, it is about the actually misunderstanding which is between an Indian man whose name was Muni and an American businessman. The name of the American businessman is not mentioned over here, but this much only it has been mentioned, an American businessman. Who is Muni? Muni is an old poor man who lives with his wife in a small South Indian village. The name of the village is Kritam. Muni has taken his goats to the usual spot. Now we will see the life of the Muni. How the poverty, he used to live in the poverty, and who is Muni. We will see all the things about the Muni. So the story of this A Horse and Two Goats, which has been written by R.K. Narayan. This story is set in a tiny South Indian village whose name is Kritam. And it depicts a picture of poverty in which Patagonist Muni used to live. Of the 30 houses in the village, there are 30 houses in the village. Only one house, who is the Pakka house or the big house, which we can say, which was made up of the brick. Rest all other 29 houses, they were made up of the Kacha house, and they all made up of the mud and other twigs and bamboo huts type. Then the other, including Munis, they are bamboo house made up of the thatch, straw and mud. There is no running water, no electricity, nothing in their house. They used to live a very poor life. Then Muni's wife, she used to cook their typical breakfast of a handful of millet flour. मिलेट जो होता है आपका, उसके आटे का खाना बनाती थी उसकी बीवी. And no fire is there in the mud pot. On this day, Muni has shaken down 6 drumsticks from the drumstick tree which was growing in front of his house, and he asked his wife to prepare them for him in a form of a sauce type. She agrees to provide. He can get the other ingredients also through which she can make the sauce, none of which they were in the house, like rice, dal, spices, oil and potato. Nothing was there in the house, so how she can prepare the sauce? Okay, so but Muni is also not having a sort of money from where he will bring all these things which his wife has been ordered. Muni and his wife, they used to live a very poor life, but they have always not been so poor. Actually, there was a time when Muni had a flock of 40 sheep and goats, but life not seen to be very kind to him and for his animals. Years of drought, many years, बहुत साल पहले वहाँ पर क्या हुआ, सूखा पड़ा. There was a drought in their area, in the village Kritam. Then a great famine and an epidemic ruined to the Muni's flock. Afterwards, since he belonged to the lowest of India's caste, he never thought all of things about things. And the Muni, he never went in the school also. He was an illiterate man. He was not knowing how to talk in Hindi or in any other language. He knows only Tamil language. At present, he is left with 2 goats. Only 2 goats he is having now at present. Okay, Muni and his wife, they have no children, and their only income is from the odd jobs which his wife does at the big house. Okay, his wife used to go at the big house, and she used to do the mopping work and the cleaning work she used to do, and from that they get some money through which they can run out their home. Muni has been exhausted his credit at every shop. In the village, there are 5 or 6 shops. In every shop, Muni has exhausted credit because he is not having a money to return that credit. Now when he goes out to get some of the items which his wife requires to cook the drumstick, he has been insulted by the shopkeepers and sent away back to the home. There is no other food in the house. Then Muni's wife, she always asked him to go out from the house with the goats and come fast on the day with some of the lentils, rice, and some other things. But Muni, what he used to do, he take the goats to the usual spot, which is a few miles away from his house. It is a grassy spot or grassy place near the highway. There he used to sit in the shade of a very large statue of a horse and a warrior, and watches trucks and buses which used to pass us from the highway. The statue, it is made up of the weather beaten clay and has stood in the same spot for many or more than from the 70 years. The statue is very old. Okay, nobody knows in the village that who has made that statue, from where the statue has been came from. Nobody knows all these things. Okay, afterwards what happened, there arrived a man. Who is that man? An American man. Let's see about the American man.